Okay, today I want to discuss about the previously I had given some homework to you. I had given last day I had given some homework to you. Along with use the figure to name a line containing point E.
Ma'am, we have to take that homework now. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Nandu.
Power failure. Okay. See children, I have given some homework to you. That means do the homework. I'll explain now. I'll explain.
Ma'am, we have to take the homework and look it's correct.
Yes, I'm explaining now. Now I'll explain. I'll draw it by the time you can take your homework. Okay. I'll draw it now. Can you see it?
Ma'am,
Can
you
you
can
see
say
this?
black.
Okay. So our homework is, see, it was third question. It was third question in the textbook. See, there is a line like this. Again, there is one more line like this. And a small line like this. Yes. F. F. E. You take your notes. By the time I'll read, I'll draw this. D. O. B. A. And C. C. Okay. Okay. So this is the point, 1 point, here also 1 point, here, 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 and it is E, this point. You have the homework, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
You have this homework, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our first question is line containing point E. There is a line containing point E. Which is the line containing point E?
Line AE and line FE.
Where is S here? There is no S.
Ma'am, F, F,
There is S.
FE.
S.
Ma'am, F.
There is S.
F, ma'am, F, F, S.
Ah, F, F. Okay, fine. So line containing point E is, you can write AE, this line. That means this is the point. This is E. So that E is lying on line AE or line FE. Both you can write. Both you can. Any one you write. Either AE or FE. No problem. Okay. So first question's answer we can write line AE or line FE. Both. I hope you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The line passing through A. Next second question is
Yes,
line passing through A. Where is A there? This. Okay. Which is the line passing through? Which is the line passing through A?
ma'am.
Easy.
Yes? Yes?
AE.
A passing through A. Sorry. You.
CO.
So which is the line passing through A?
CO.
Ma'am, line AE.
Line A, same line. Sorry.
Ma'am, CO. No, that is not possible.
Wait.
Line passing through
Line,
A.
line. You have to denote this sign. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Line means if the question is line, you have to denote that sign, indication, symbol of line. How you will denote that line? There is one line segment and both sides there are arrow marks, right? Both sides there are arrow marks. Fine. So point A is this. Point A. Okay. Which is the line containing passing through that point A? Line passing
Ma'am,
through
line
A lies on which line?
AE.
Line AE. Okay, same line AE. Third question. Line on which O lies. Can you
Line
see
CO.
okay.
CO.
Line CO or line OC, no problem. Line, but you should denote that symbol. The
Line.
symbol should be denoted. CO or OC, anything. Okay, CO or OC, you can denote anything. Next one, fourth question is, fourth question, two pairs of intersecting lines.
AD, CO, and AE.
Okay, intersecting lines means, can you see these two lines? These two lines? Those two lines are intersecting. What is the name of those two lines? Let me check. Line AE and AE and CO, correct? Line AE and line CO. That is one pair. Ananya Vijesh,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
writing now?
No, ma'am, I already completed.
Okay, good. So AE and CO. Fine. One more pair. Here also two intersecting lines are there. Cross. Here also you can see.
FE and AE.
FE and again AE. FE and AE. So AE itself. AE and F. Okay. I hope you understood this. So this was the homework. Those who finished it, no, you keep it. Others, those.
Amita Naviola.
Okay. So, on already. See, I hope you have done the homework. If you have done any mistake of any problem is there, you just cut it and write the correct answer. Okay. I'll give the next question for you. How many lines can pass through one given point? How many lines can pass through one given point? Listen, that was the second question. Or the third one? Second question. It was the second question.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're
Hello,
there.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you there? Emil,
Yes,
who was standing near you?
my sister. Achi.
Hello, mic testing 314.
You were talking to each other. In between, when the power failure comes, you will be talking and chatting each other. Hmm? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So Listen. Listen, children. See. See. Our second question is, how many lines can pass through one given point? How many lines can pass through one given point? That is our second question.
Infinite lines.
Okay. See, I'll show you. See. Listen, how many lines can pass through? How many lines can pass through one given point? Suppose you have one point like this. One point. Okay. How many lines can pass through this given point?
More than 6.
More than 6, so?
No, 5.
Ma'am, uncountable.
This is one line, okay? Okay.
Ma'am, infinity. Uncountable.
Then this is another line.
Ma'am, infinity.
This is another line. This is another line. Who told it is 6? Again this. How many line can pass through the given point?
5.
Tell the answer. Tell the answer first.
Infinite.
Infinite number of lines. Infinite number of lines or countless number of countless lines. Countless. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. 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 How many lines can pass through one given point? What is the answer of that? What is the answer of that? Uncountable. You can write the answer like this. You can write uncountable. You
Yes.
can write the answer uncountable or countless. Countless or endless. Okay, or you can write the answer as infinite number of lines. Infinite number of lines. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Any one you can write. Uncountable, countless, like that you can write the answer. Now, there is one more part for this question. There are 2 points. There are 2 points. Okay. So there are 2 points. 2 points. A and B. A and B. How many lines can pass through these 2 points?
Ma'am, one line.
How many lines can pass through these 2 points? Yes, yes.
One line.
Only one line. Only one line. We are connecting these 2 lines. Only one line we can make. Connecting these 2 points, there is only one line is there. I hope you understood. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
answer of the first one. Endless. Countless. Infinite number of lines. Second one's answer? Only one. Okay. Okay. Now. Then there is one more question. Third one. Third question. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. First one is a point. Did I give this question as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
A point P. Yes. Yes. A point P lies on line segment AB. A point P lies on line segment AB. Okay. So how will you draw this? There is a line segment AB. There is a line segment AB. Okay.
Ma'am.
There is a point P. Where do you keep that point? Where will you keep?
Ma'am, in the middle. Ma'am, in the middle.
In the middle or in the or in any of near to B. Don't keep behind. Don't keep
Ma'am, anywhere in the line.
after B or before A. So
Ma'am,
you can
anywhere in
keep
the line.
a point P on the line like this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, line XY and line PQ intersect at M. Line XY. So there is a line XY. What is the name of this line?
Y.
And another line. What is the name of that line?
PQ.
PQ. PQ. Intersect at?
M.
Intersect at M.
Point M.
Point M. So that meeting point name is M.
M.
The point is at M. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you do the homework. Means now you correct it if you have done any mistake. If you have done any mistake, you can correct it. Next one is, next question is, C. Next question. Line L contain E and F but not D. So a line is there, line, and the name of that line is L. Name of that line is L, small letter L. It contains means there are 2 points in this line. What are the names of those points?
E and F.
E and F. E and F are 2 points. E and F. But D is not there. D is not in this line. D is not in this line. So where will you keep D? Who is talking? Who is talking? Francis Richard? Yes, yes. Somebody is talking in between. Somebody is talking in between. See, if some other people are there in your room, tell them to keep quiet. If somebody is there in your room, tell them to keep quiet. Francis Richard. Okay, there is a line L and there are 2 points E and F, but not D. That means not D is not there in this line. So D you can write somewhere here.
Outside.
Not on the line, not on the line, somewhere. Okay, so there are 2 points E and F, but D is not there. That means D somewhere you can make, down or up, bottom, anywhere you can make. Okay. Next one, next question is, OP and OQ meet at O. There are 2 lines, OP and OQ, OP and OQ. So O is here, OP and OQ. Meet at O, OP and OQ. OP and OQ. O is this point. OP and OQ. OP and OQ, line OP and OQ meet at O. Okay, OP and OQ meet at O. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, did you understand the homework I just given? You cleared the doubts? Clear the doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. Next one. Will you write the question? Will you write
Yes,
the question?
ma'am.
I'll give one question to you. Do you remember about triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
I'm not that much. Then also remember.
Who is that?
Ashish.
Ashish. Why it is not that much? You have to study everything properly, right? Up-to-date study should be needed. Okay. So, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll give you one question. Draw
Okay.
a quadrilateral and shade its interior.
Ma'am,
Draw
can you
a
say this one more
quadrilateral.
time?
Draw a quadrilateral and shade its interior. I'll write. Listen. Draw a quadrilateral and shade its interior.
Finish.
Okay.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Finish, ma'am. Hello.
അമ്മ പിന്നെ മിസ്
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
hello ma'am. Hello.
Are you there, ma'am? Hello.
Hey, this going to be hello. Is anybody there? Ma'am. Anybody there?
Hello, Amit. Yes. Your second language is Hindi or Malayalam?
Don't talk in between. Okay. So draw a quadrilateral and shade its interior.
Finish, ma'am.
You done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give you. See, can you see the wheel running?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See. Quadrilateral. See, it is a quadrilateral. And shade is interior. Which color you want?
Green, red, orange, blue.
Okay, over. And listen, draw a quadrilateral and shade its interior. You can give the name of this quadrilateral. You can give some name to this quadrilateral, not like your name, okay? You can give any name, A, B, C, D. It should be continuous. Like this. Draw a quadrilateral and shade its interior. Or you can start from here on the top. I'll rub it, listen. Or you can start from here. A, B, C, D. Okay. Wherever you start, it should continuous. If you're starting from here, A, you are going downwards, but it should be continuous like this. A, B, C, D. Fine.
Ma'am, we can write any like this.
How can I cannot give the name Ashish. If it is a if it is like a 4 letter word, I can give that name. Okay. Okay. Give any alphabet, only that. But it should be continuous. It should be continuous. So next homework, I'll give one homework to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, write the homework. Write the homework. Draw a pentagon. Write the homework. Homework is
Draw a pentagon.
homework is draw a pentagon. Draw a pentagon.
Finish, ma'am.
Pentagon and don't write now. Shade its interior. Draw a pentagon neatly with scale and pencil. Draw a pentagon neatly with scale and pencil and shade its interior.
Ma'am, in the
In
notes.
the notes.
In the notes. Okay.
Okay,
By the way, you should today evening I should get the assignment. Will you send it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do the homework and send the assignments to me.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. I'm not hearing what you are telling. Yes.
Nanogan is some tough to draw.
No problem. I don't want that much accuracy. Just to draw it and show me. Only that. Okay. Draw with the pencil so that you can rub and draw it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the homework was draw a pentagon and shade its interior.
Yes. Homework is that and send the assignment. Which was the assignment? Triangle, quadrilateral and all. That was the assignment. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I go now?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.